Hey, welcome back. We're talking about the mental house. I want to share my own story about the mental house. When I applied for college at Penn, we had to take this test that analyzed the way we think and the way that we feel. From that test, they found out that my thinking patterns were pretty negative. I had a childhood where one of the prevalent thoughts in my mind was, I'm so stupid. I'm stupid, I'm dumb, I'm stupid. So no matter what would happen, like if I missed a shot in basketball, I'd say, I'm so stupid. Or if I didn't do as well on a test as I thought, I'd be like, I'm so stupid. Or if I screwed up on a date, I'm so stupid. So everything became about me being stupid. I got randomized into a study that I opted in for something called cognitive behavioral therapy. And it really changed my mind. And I'm gonna share with you a technique that I learned, and it's a simplified version of it. And it goes something like this. You have a thought that you know that is negative for you, and it recurs over and over. That's the key. So number one, what is that thought? For me, it's I'm stupid. The second question you ask is, how do I feel how true this thought is from 0 to 100? At the time, if I look back when I was 18, I would say it's about 98% true. For whatever situation it would be. And the third question you ask is, what is the evidence for or against this thought? Well, I got into Penn, which is an Ivy League school. I was a salutatorian in my high school, number 2. My grade point average was 99. Probably not that stupid. The fourth question you ask is, how do you feel now from 0 to 100 about that thought? How true is that thought now? I would say it's about 20% true after looking at the actual evidence. So that's CBT in a nutshell, those 4 questions. What is the thought? How do you feel how true it is from 0 to 100? What is the evidence for and against? And 4, how do you feel afterwards? So in the research, they found that when you do that, you actually decrease your percentage chance of having anxiety, decrease your chance of having depression, because guess what? 90% of the thoughts we have about ourselves, especially the negative ones, are false. So that is the key. If you're having a 10% after the analysis that it's true, then you maybe need to make some changes. But generally, the thoughts that we have, like I'm stupid, or why does that always happen to me, or whatever it may be that's going on in your head, that's causing problems, and it's a pattern in our brains, and we need to change it. Does that make sense? So next to this video, we have an introspection question for you to answer. I want you to detail to us and to you what has been the impact, the implications of the deficiencies in your mental house, from your finances to your relationships, to your personal sense of self, to your happiness, and write those down, because guess what? We're gonna send everything to you at the end of the course, and you're gonna be able to look and see what's going on, and then decide to change one thing. So I hope you enjoy this video, and we'll see you soon.